The human DNA is a blending of DNA from how many extraterrestrial races?
7.
Is that fairly normal relative to the other physiological beings in our solar system or galaxy?
Normal. No, it is not normal. There are circumstances in certain situations that may attract that experience. It is, in our experience, not necessarily normal. But of the civilizations that have attracted such an experience, it is an average number. Does that help differentiate the concept?
Yeah, to some degree, I do believe I understand that idea.
All right.
Who are the 7 extraterrestrial races? Is that something
you know one as Anunnaki. You know one as gray, which we have explained is not exactly extraterrestrial. There are Sirius genes, Pleiadian genes. The rest?
Timing.
All right.
Something we will come to know.
Something you will come to know. In fact, one of the first things that the first group of extraterrestrial hybrid beings to make open contact with your civilization will tell you is your actual history.
And were these the beings that hovered over Phoenix in 1997 and
yes.
the Phoenix Lights?
Yes.
Were they also recently over Phoenix in February of this year?
Yes.
And is the crop circle that was in Alton Barnes in June of this year related to their structure of their craft at all?
Partly.
Okay.
It was a combination creation. They were involved, but not the only ones by far.
Can you say who the other?
It is another hybrid race.
Okay.
Not us, but hybrids that represent a very close connection to many of you. In a sense, you could say it will be made up out of those beings that are more directly your children.
Most similar to us in
the sense of the hybridization program, most immediate to your time frame.
And that's why they perhaps will most likely be the first for us to have open contact with.
Because they are rejoining their families.
Why do they choose Phoenix as the site for their to be hovering over?
What does the Phoenix symbolize?
Phoenix rising?
The rising from the ashes to a new life.
Okay.
You follow me?
Yes.
And it symbolizes eternity. Make sense?
The symbol.
Yes. All right.